Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn a song, Victory by EBEN, and I'm going to be playing in the key of D. Now the song is a very simple song and the progression too is a very simple progression. I'm going to be playing 1 in the key of D. I'm going to be playing 1, 4, 5, 1. That's the whole progression, 1, 4, 5, 1. So let's start. I'm going to play the song, play along, and then show you the chords that I used. So these are the chords that I used. As I said, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1 in the key of D. Any key that you want to play in, the progression still remains the same, 1, 4, 5, 1. All right, so these are the chords for chord 1, D, E, F sharp, A. Now I could play my A here and then get this, right? Or you could add the A to it again, A, and then you have your middle, and then you play your D, D, A, D. That's your chord 1. You could remove this one. You could remove the E also and play like this, but you could add the 2. Chord 4, you have G and then D, and then I have G, A, B, D. Right, so this same note, I could play it here and play like this. Okay, so let's maintain this. And then the last chord, which is the chord 5, I have A and then E. I have A, B, C sharp, and then E. God has given me victory. God has given me victory. God has given me victory. He has I hope these chords will help you to play. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.